जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindhakanda. When Sugriva and Rama became friends, when Sugriva and Rama made their friendship taking fire as witness, at the same time, Sitamma's left eye shaked, Vali's left eye shaked, all the demons' left eyes shaked, which is good woman to Sitamma, bad woman to Vali, bad woman to all the demons. Now all of this happened at a time. Now Sugriva is saying to Rama, "Oh Rama, Hanuma told me everything about both of you. Why did you come to the forest?" He told me. Then how a Rakshasa abducted your wife, he told me. And how one eagle, Gridhraraju, Jatayu, objected Rakshasa to take your wife. Then that Jatayu lost his life in the hands of Rakshasa. That also Hanuma told me. Rama, don't worry. Very soon your grief all will be gone. Aham tam anayishyami nashtam vedasruti miva. As and how Srimannarayana, when he came down as Matsyavataram, he killed Madhu and Kaitaba, brought the entire Vedic treasure back. Like that, I am also going to get your wife Sitamma back to you. Rasatale va vartanti va nabhastale. Ho Rama, wherever Sitamma is, may she be there in Patalam, may she be there in Akasam. Definitely I am going to bring Sitamma back to you. Rama, I am telling you the truth. Even Devendra or anyone among all the devatas and all the demons, nobody will be able to captivate your wife. Nobody will be able to attract your wife. That is your wife Sitamma. That is why, Rama, Tyajasokam, do not cry. Rama, I have to tell you something. Now I started remembering something. Yes, that is Sita. I have seen Sita. When Ravana was carrying Sita and going away, Sitamma started screaming and crying, Krosanti, Rama Rameti, Lakshmaneti, Rama, Rama, Lakshmana. She was saying, now I can remember, I can recall, that is Sita, yes. Oh Rama, she was crying a lot. You know what? Though Ravana is carrying Sitamma and going away, Sitamma was looking like a big serpent, glowing serpent in the hands of Ravana. Oh Rama, that is when we were there on the mountain of Rishyamukam. Myself and along with my few other Vanaras, I was there. So, what Sitamma did is, she collected all her ornaments tied in a cloth and threw away when we were there. She has seen us. That is why she just dropped all those ornaments in between us. Ho Rama, tani asmabhihi gruhitani nihitani cha Raghava. I kept them very safely, Rama. Anayishyami. Wait a minute, I am going to bring those ornaments. You have to see that. Tani pratyabhignyatumarhasi. You have to see and check if it is of Sitamma, if you can identify those ornaments belonging to Sitamma. You have to see that, Rama. Let me bring that. Like that, when Sugriva said, Rama started getting excited and going through so much of anxiety. He started repeatedly saying that, Oh Sugriva, go ahead and bring it immediately. Do not delay even a second also. Come on, go ahead. Oh my dear friend, please go ahead and bring it. Like that, Rama started saying repeatedly. Then Sugriva left from there to Rishyamukha Parvatam. There is a den to bring those ornaments from that den. Sugriva is now showing all those ornaments belonging to Sita Devi, which is tied up in a cloth. Now Sugriva showing that cloth to Sri Ramachandra Swami. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.